Hi friends! Today we're going to be starting economics. Economics is all about money, what it is, how we spend it, and how we earn and save it. Today's lesson is the intro to money. Make sure that you come back to watch the videos and the slides later. What is money? Money is what we use for goods or services. We'll learn a little bit more about exactly what those are as we go through our economics unit. This means that we use money to buy or purchase things. We use paper money called bills and metal money called coins. Bills are like down here, a dollar bill. A lot of times you have a dollar bill to buy lunch. Coins, they're made of metal. When you come back to the video, you can click on the penny to watch a video about coins, and you can click on the dollar to watch a video about bills. Let's practice our money knowledge with some money poems. Penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Now your turn, read with me. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. When I count pennies, what do I count by? We count by ones. Nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5, I know that. Now it's your turn, read with me. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5, I know that. When I count nickels, what do I count by? Remember how much a nickel is worth? We count by 5s. Dime. Dime, dime, small and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Now it's your turn, read with me. Dime, dime, small and thin, I remember you're worth 10. When I count dimes, what do I count by? Let me think about what's a dime worth. When I count dimes, I count by 10s. Quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. Your turn, read with me. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. When I count quarters, what do I count by? Remember how much a quarter is worth? We count by 25s. You would count 25, 50, 75, 100. When you get to 100 cents, that means you have the same value as $1. Now it's your time to practice. When you come back to these slides, you can click right here to practice with a dance break. Get your money right. You can also test what you know with these 2 money games. Hope you enjoyed learning about money, second graders. Bye!